Thank you for seeing my videos, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and today what I'm going to do is an unboxing of this Xiaomi Mi A2. I hope you enjoyed this video, so let's go to it. Hello everyone, so today what I'm going to do an unboxing of this Xiaomi Mi A2. So seeing the box, this is the box. As you can see from this side, it has a Snapdragon 660, and it has a dual camera, and also comes with the Android one. So as you can see in the box, you have the phone. With the box came also this cable. So the cable is a headphone jack to a micro USB, and also to extract the SIM card. So to me it came also with this kind of protection to the telephone. So this is the telephone. It's a dual SIM. Here inside you have the charger. Here you can see the cable to charge it. So as you can see now from seeing my hands and also seeing this photo by taking the camera and missing back, the screen of this smartphone is an 5.99 inches, so vertically, and the CPU is a Snapdragon 660, Adreno 512, and 3000 milliampere per hour battery. So as you can see, the device has a double camera, a flash, and a fingerprint also for your finger that allows you to unlock the smartphone. So this is the front camera, speaker to talk, and on the back side you have also two speakers, and here you have a micro USB, it's not an USB-C, and also it doesn't have any phone jack here, so you need to use the adapter that comes with the telephone, with the smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, please put a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy the video, thumbs down. Leave a comment, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you and have a nice day.